Welcome to this lesson on cloud challenges. When organizations move to the cloud, they encounter three major obstacles: security concerns, compliance requirements, and vendor lock-in. Understanding these challenges is crucial for making informed decisions about cloud adoption and management. Security remains one of the most critical challenges in cloud computing. Misconfigurations, such as exposed storage buckets and weak access controls, are among the leading causes of data breaches. Identity and access management becomes complex with numerous users and services requiring different permission levels. Data protection demands encryption both at rest and in transit. Additionally, API security is vital since vulnerable endpoints can be exploited by attackers to gain unauthorized access. Cloud security operates on a shared responsibility model. The cloud provider is responsible for securing the underlying infrastructure, including physical security of data centers, network and hardware protection, hypervisor security, and ensuring the data center meets compliance standards. However, customers are responsible for their applications, data encryption and access controls, identity management, and proper configuration and patching of their systems. Understanding this division is essential to avoid security gaps. Cloud environments face several common security threats. Data breaches occur when attackers gain unauthorized access to sensitive customer or business information. Distributed denial of service attacks overwhelm services with massive traffic, causing service disruptions. Malware and ransomware specifically target cloud infrastructure, encrypting data or disrupting operations. Account hijacking happens when attackers compromise user credentials, gaining unauthorized access to cloud resources and potentially causing significant damage. Compliance is another major challenge in cloud adoption. Organizations must navigate regional regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, SOC 2, and other industry-specific requirements. Data sovereignty concerns require ensuring that data resides in specific geographic locations as mandated by law. Continuous audit and reporting are necessary to provide documentation proving compliance. Additionally, keeping up with changing standards across different jurisdictions adds complexity, as regulations evolve and new requirements emerge regularly. Several key compliance frameworks govern cloud operations. GDPR is the European Data Protection and Privacy Regulation affecting any organization handling EU citizen data. HIPAA sets healthcare data security and privacy standards in the United States. SOC 2 focuses on security, availability, and confidentiality controls for service providers. PCI DSS is the payment card industry data security standard required for organizations processing credit card transactions. ISO 27001 provides international standards for information security management systems. Vendor lock-in occurs when an organization becomes dependent on a specific cloud provider's proprietary technologies, making it difficult and costly to switch to another provider. This dependency can arise from proprietary APIs that are unique to one vendor, custom services not available elsewhere, or specific data formats that aren't easily transferable. Lock-in reduces flexibility and can limit an organization's ability to negotiate pricing or adopt better technologies from competing providers. Several factors contribute to vendor lock-in. Proprietary tools and platform-specific services often have no standard alternatives, forcing organizations to commit to a single vendor's ecosystem. Vendor-specific data formats in storage and databases make migration complex and time-consuming. API dependencies occur when applications are tightly coupled to a provider's specific APIs. Finally, skill investment in platform-specific technologies means teams develop expertise that may not transfer to other platforms, creating organizational inertia against switching providers. Vendor lock-in carries significant risks for organizations. High migration costs make switching providers expensive and time-consuming, sometimes prohibitively so. Price increases become problematic since organizations have limited negotiating power when locked into a single vendor. Limited flexibility means being restricted to the vendor's roadmap and feature set, unable to adopt innovations from competitors. Business risk increases due to dependency on the vendor's stability, policy decisions, and continued operation, leaving organizations vulnerable to changes beyond their control. Organizations can employ several strategies to mitigate vendor lock-in. A multi-cloud approach distributes workloads across multiple providers, reducing dependency on any single vendor. Containerization using Docker and Kubernetes provides portability, allowing applications to run on different cloud platforms with minimal changes. Adopting open standards and cloud-agnostic tools ensures compatibility across providers. Implementing abstraction layers creates APIs that separate application logic from vendor-specific services, making it easier to switch providers if needed. These strategies provide flexibility while still leveraging cloud benefits.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.